What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're working on a white 2019 Honda Accord. It's a 1.5. So earlier today we did the side skirt and a front lip. Let me show it to you. So that's his setup. It's carbon fiber right over here. It's a simple lip. It's the same lip that I had, but this one's more aggressive, and I actually like it too since it's carbon fiber and it goes well with a white color. As you can see, it's right over here. So that's what it looks like. It's simple yet aggressive, and it actually goes with white carbon fiber. And he also had this right over here is carbon fiber with the emblem. Pretty much exterior is carbon fiber. And we also did the side skirt earlier today. This is pretty much all straightforward. So this one is carbon fiber. I know a lot of people want this or the simple black ones. And this is actually pre-cut, so we didn't have to do it. We don't have to cut anything. And it's pretty thick and sturdy. And it's gonna come with a there's like little holes in it, like where it tell you to put the screws in, and it's very sturdy. But what we did when we were installing this is we add 3M tape to add more security on it, and then on top of that we just add the screws. So pretty much this one is straightforward. And for today's video, we're gonna install the Akasaka Diffuser. It's carbon fiber as well to go along with his theme. So excuse the garage, it's been raining, it's humid in the garage. So first we're gonna take all of this with the rubber pieces and I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay guys, so the diffuser is gonna come with 3 pieces, one for each side where the right next to the exhaust is, and the middle piece. And before we install it, as you can see, this right here, you're gonna add screws in it, which is provided for you. So you're gonna add the screws. This is what it's gonna look like. So we're gonna go ahead and install it first. So we'll see which side it'll go. Let's see. Okay, this one goes to the other side. This one will go to your left or right, whichever you are facing. So I'm just gonna attach this. Like that. And just add your screw. I also just use a screwdriver. Don't use a drill or something, because you don't want to over drill it or something, and you're gonna end up breaking it, then you're done for good. Or if you have other remedy, then that's good, but I'm just saying much rather used screwdriver. Make sure when you're installing this, it should be handy tight. Nice and tight right over there. And as you can see, the screw is right in here. So you're just gonna piece it together. And after you do this, I'm just gonna do the other side, and then we're gonna go to the next one. Okay, both sides is on. So you can see this is the passenger side. Well, I'm on the back, so this is the passenger side. Screws right in here, and the other side is right over here. So we're gonna go ahead and take these out, and I'm gonna show you how to take this off, since this is gonna be a 3-piece as well. So one over here, there's I believe 2 clips underneath the muffler and a screw right behind here. And this one, I believe, is just easy pull and play. Okay, now we're underneath the car. So this is what I'm talking about. Right over here is 1 and 2. And excuse the car. We're dripping hot in here, and it's been raining. So you're just gonna take this off with a flathead or a prior if you do have one. So take this 1, 2 right over here. And we're also gonna take this screw right here. So instead of facing that way we're gonna have to access the screw right on this side. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take that off and I'll show you what it's gonna look like. All right guys, so the tab is off right over here and one over here. Now I took the screw off right over here. So I would highly suggest use a screwdriver just like earlier, because the drill, unless you have bendable drill or something, I would suggest use I would just highly suggest a screwdriver for more easier access. And so when you're turning it, you turn it towards you, and once you're taking that off, all you gotta do is pull this right here, pull it gently because you don't want to break it, right here. And once that's off, right here, there you go. Now we're on to the middle part. So we're just gonna pry it. Let me look for a prior. So after taking the plastic right over here, you're just gonna pull this. All right. So if your prior doesn't work, I would suggest use a flathead. And once you pull this out, everything comes off. There you go. Now you're ready to install your Akasaka diffuser. So prior to installing the diffuser, you guys know me, I usually wipe off and clean the crevices. So, I mean, right now it's all muddy because, you know, dust and plus rain creates all of this nasty crap in a car. And just like what I said earlier, it's been raining, so bear with me, guys. Okay, now before installing your diffuser, I like to take an extra step. You know, some people doesn't usually do it, but I would like to add 3M tape right on this area right here, so it would actually attach to the bumper on top of the clip, and a little screws that's holding it, and just to add more security, and we're good to go. Just like what I said earlier, I like to take it a step further. I just applied 3M tape right over here. So that way it's gonna apply it right over here in the lower bumper. And on top of that with the clips right over here for more security. And you know, it's not gonna go anywhere. All right, so 3M tape is peeled off. And if you want, clean it with a rubbing alcohol and add adhesive promoter, just like what I did, but I didn't show it to you to save some time, but I'm telling you now. So what you're gonna do is line it up where the see the clips right over here, clips right over here. You're just gonna line it where the clips used to be, or the plastic ones, and you should be good to go. So that's what it's gonna look like, guys. She's looking like clean. It's not even my car, but I love it. So it's not fully installed yet. We still have to install the clips back on, but I'm just showing it to you what it looks like. And it's super clean. I'm not gonna lie, the camera doesn't even do justice on the car. Like with a side skirt and the diffuser, oh my god, if you see this car in person, it's not fully modified yet. It's just starting out, but damn. All right, so we're just gonna install the clips back on and then the little screws, and pretty much what you just took off earlier, what I showed you to you, just put it back on. And also, if you're not satisfied, I'm actually gonna add 3 screws, 1 on each side, like so. It's, you see it divided by 3, like 3 layers. So 1 underneath here, 1 underneath here, and then 1 on that side right there. So with that, it's secured with 3M tape, the clips, and the screw, so it doesn't go anywhere. Okay guys, so we've decided not to mess up the diffuser, so we're not gonna add screws in here, so it's pretty sturdy. So it's holding with its 1, 2, 3 clips, and then a screw over there, and at the same time the tabs right here, the clips. It goes the same on the other side. 1, 2, where's the other one? And 3 right over here. And everything looks sturdy. I mean, originally I was gonna say add the screws in it, but judging by the way how it's laid out, it's sturdy, not wobbly, no nothing. I even asked my friend to check it for himself if he wants to add screws with it. He said everything's good, so we're done. So hopefully you find this video very informative. If you have any questions, drop a comment down below or DM me on my Instagram. I'll probably put it down in the description below. So that's the full car, guys. Carbon fiber, everything, the front grille, front lip, just so you guys don't want to believe me, just in case. Carbon fiber, we just installed it right over here. Carbon fiber side skirts. I might actually get this, but I can't get a carbon fiber. And looking clean. And the diffuser. Sheesh. Akasaka. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you find this very helpful and informative. Sorry if I look so sweaty because it's really humid and hot in here. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to your boys and help me reach 400 subscribers. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.